In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a geolocation field in Salesforce, which is an essential task for those looking to utilize location-based data efficiently in their Salesforce applications. We're going to go through each step in a clear and straightforward manner, so let's dive in. First, head over to your Salesforce home. This is your starting point and acts as the hub of your Salesforce activities. Once you're at the home page, you need to locate and click on the Quick Settings icon. Typically, this icon resembles a gear situated at the top right corner of your screen. By clicking on Quick Settings, you access the core configurations for your Salesforce environment. Now, look for the option that says Open Advanced Setup and click on it. This is where you'll find more detailed configuration choices. After opening the Advanced Setup, the next step is to click on the Object Manager tab. The Object Manager contains all sorts of objects and provides access to manage their fields and settings. In the Object Manager, you'll see a list of objects. Choose the one labeled as the object you plan to add the geolocation to and give it a click. Once you're in, turn your attention to the Fields and Relationships section and click on it. Fields and Relationships is where you'll define and manage the various fields associated with your selected object. At the top, you'll notice a New button. Click on this to create a new field. Now that you've clicked on New, it's time to focus on the geolocation data type. This is crucial as it enables you to store both latitude and longitude data for precise location tracking. Next, enable the geolocation feature by clicking its checkbox. This step might require a brief explanation. Basically, selecting this option means you're opting to incorporate geolocation capabilities in your data model, which opens up new avenues for data analysis based on location. With the geolocation option selected, click on Next to proceed. Now, you'll need to provide a field label name. This name should be intuitive as it will be displayed on the user interface, making it easier for users to recognize the field's purpose. In addition to this, you will need to specify the number of decimal places to determine the precision of your geolocation data. Following that, input the field name. This is more about the back-end label Salesforce uses in its scripts and should be memorable. Once these inputs are done, hit Next again. Here, you'll encounter field-level security, which controls who can see and edit this field. Field-level security is important for protecting sensitive information and ensuring that users only have access to data relevant to their roles. Having configured security, click Next once more. To finalize the creation of your new geolocation field, click on Safibiye. Congratulations! You've successfully created a geolocation field in Salesforce, allowing you to leverage location data to its maximum potential, offering richer insights and better service delivery.